Secrets, mysteries, they fascinate us. Like moths drawn to a flame, our minds crave novelty and delight in discovery. We seek out new, unexplored lands. We thrill to find in these places unique and wonderful animals and plants. From time immemorial, we have dreamt of visiting the stars and the worlds that seem just out of reach, just beyond our fingertips. As soon as we had the know-how, we reached into space, launching artificial moons that we could see and track across the sky. Soon those satellites were looking back at us and at the heavens. And it wasn't long before cosmonauts and astronauts were actually walking in space. In living, to some of us, recent memory, people from our planet set foot on the surface of the moon. It all happened incredibly fast. The way the universe measures time, humankind has only been here for the blink of an eye. And we are already breaking free of our home planet. It was 1961 when the first human was launched into orbit. The following year, Mariner 2 left Earth behind on a voyage that took it to our closest planetary neighbor, Venus. In all, 10 mariners set out on journeys to Mars, Venus, and Mercury. They mapped our nearby planets. We saw them in stunning detail. We even got weather reports. Some were disappointed when the mariners found no monstrous aliens, no tropical forests teeming with extraterrestrial dinosaurs. But our scientific appetites were